So it's been probably about a year since my last video I did with Red Dawn. My loadout. It was just real quick. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on / my primary baby it took some time to put together, but I finally did it. It is a complete custom built Airsoft M4. So I guess we'll start just by showing it to you. I'll start from the front. I got a 9.5 inch standard defense rail, Mach 18 too. Yeah, standard birdcage flash hider here, KWA flip up iron sight. Go into the middle. I've got a Aimpoint T1 replica. It's red, green, 5 levels of brightness, little stubby grip. This is standard flip up rear sight. Going on to the stock, let's say G&P Airsoft mod stock I got for it. Small lipo fits in here. I was very questionable about getting one of these. I had a UBR on it, and then I had a CTR on it. Then I just thought, hey, why not? Sling adapter is the Magpul, I believe ASAC. Here, standard G&P pistol grip. This is a full tour upper receiver, aluminum. Flipping it over now. I don't know if you can see Magpul lower here, so it's a Magpul body with the Voltor upper. I got a Type bore in here. I also got the Magpul sling adapter up front to go to 2-point. I got these E-Vike G&P mags they made. Polymer, holds 130 rounds. Actually work very well. They got the little skull frog on there. I don't know if you can see that. My computer is very bad. Internally, I got I believe a 9.5 inch, 10 inch inner barrel Angel Custom 6.01 with a 3-in-1 Mad Bull Ultimate hop up with the tracer unit on it. I don't have the tracer unit set up. G&P gearbox shell with SHS 13:1 gears in here with I believe a Bravo full metal tooth piston and piston head, where I Swiss cheese the piston to make it faster. Rate of fire, M110 Mad Bull in here, G&P M120 motor. I switched the wiring to Tamiya because I don't want to switch out all my batteries and everything to Dean, so I just kept it with Tamiya. Rate of fire is shooting. I don't have a battery right now. It actually just busted on me. Rate of fire with the 11.1 is probably about 30 rounds a second. With the 7.4 probably about 25, I'd say. This thing really hauls ass on the field. It's quite nice. What else do I got in here? Standard everything else. This took a while to build. It's my baby. I haven't come up with a name for it or anything. I'm thinking possibly the Anaconda, because my code name's call sign's Viper. So maybe you want to stick with the reptile, snakes, maybe python. I don't know. I'm based out of Illinois. I run with the Tactical Idiots at PBX in Dundee. So if you ever see me or hear any AEG shredding, I like to say it's me. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.